Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. We have come up with a new practice set number 2, and in this particular video we are going to see general awareness section. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin the session. So the outline of today's session will be like this. We will ask one-liner question from general awareness. There are about 25 questions in this particular session, and whatever the question we are asking you in this video are recently asked in various other competitive examination which were held in year 2023. And the third point is that we will not discuss each question in detail. I will give you a little bit idea of that question, but I will not discuss in detail. Okay, so let's begin this session. But before proceeding, I would like to tell you that we have made various other videos for ISRO assistant, junior assistant and UDC. So this is in our playlist. If you have time, if you want to see it, you can see it. It is in our playlist. Okay, so let's begin the session. So quickly coming to the first question, when is International Women's Day celebrated? A very simple one. Yes, it's 8th March. Why it is celebrated on 8th March? Because in 19th century there is a women movement. Okay, women movement for their right to vote. Okay, it was basically in Russia. So this point was considered very important for the Women's Day. So on 8th March that event happened. So that's why International Women's Day is observed on 8th March. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which amendment of Indian Constitution removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Student, the first thing you should know that there are currently 6 fundamental rights. Initially there were 7. One was removed. What was it? It was right to property, and it was removed basically from the 44th amendment. This is very important amendment. Okay, so 44th amendment, they have removed right to property. Okay, and there are 6 fundamental rights, not 7. Okay, that you should also remember. Coming to the next question, Kalpana Chawla died in space shuttle in which year? Okay, Kalpana Chawla died in space shuttle in which year? Yes, it's 2003. But student, there are certain other important thing that you need to remember. Kalpana Chawla is the first woman of Indian origin to fly into space. Okay, she went 2 times. Okay, one in 1997 and other in 2003. So in the second mission in 2003, her space shuttle name was Columbia. Okay, Columbia spacecraft is there, which got crashed. Okay, so this thing you should remember. In year 2003, she died in space shuttle, and the name of the space shuttle is Columbia, and in year 2003 she got died. Okay, let's see the next question. Who discovered X-ray? A very simple one. Yes, all of you know that it is William Bronston. Okay, in 1895, and he also got a Nobel Prize in 1901 for the physics. Okay, and why they are called X-ray? Because they are unknown rays at that time. Okay, and they are basically high frequency and very low wavelength and high frequency, high energy wave are there. Okay, these you should remember, William Bronston, and for that particular discovery he got Nobel Prize in initial year, that is 1901. Okay, let's see the next question. The president of which country attended the first Republic Day celebration of India as its chief guest? Okay, there are other certain things. First Republic Day, you should remember that it was celebrated on 26 Jan 1950. And which country? It is Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. And what is the name of that president? Sukarno. Okay, Sukarno was the name of that president. So answer is Indonesia. Let's see the next question. In which year Narendra Modi proposed to celebrate a day for yoga as International Yoga Day while speaking to General United Nations Assembly? Okay, first thing you should know when it is celebrated. As all of you know, it is 21st June, and it got started in year 2015, not in 2014. In year 2014, our Prime Minister has proposed this. So answer for this question is 2014, not 2015. But the first International Yoga Day was celebrated in year 2015. This is a mistake point, student. First International Yoga Day was celebrated in 2015, but PM Modi proposed in year 2014. Okay, let's see the next question. Which city to host first meeting under India's G20 presidency? A very simple one, it's Bengaluru. Okay, let's see the next question. Who is known as father of Indian space research? In our static GK portion of ISRO, we told you it is Vikram Sarabhai, a very famous scientist, very space scientist basically. He is known as father of Indian space research. Okay. Around -% of human body is water. This is again a confusing, but you should remember it is 60, not 70. 60% of human body is water. Quickly coming to the next question. Deficiency of calcium in old age will lead to what? Yes, it's osteoporosis. Okay, osteoporosis. Okay, the other thing you should remember that deficiency of vitamin D cause rickets. Okay, rickets. Okay, but in old age it will lead to osteoporosis. Okay, what kind of energy does a flying airplane have? Okay, since it is flying, so it will have kinetic energy. Since it is flying above the ground, so it will have some potential energy. So both the energy it will have. Okay, let's see the next question. In which year India won gold in men's hockey in Olympic game? Okay, student, India has won 8 times gold medal in hockey. 8 times. Okay, the last one which we won is in 1980, but the first one we awarded in 1928. So India won gold, first gold in man hockey in 1928 and the last in 1980. Okay, 8 times India have won gold medal in men's hockey. Okay, in different Olympic years. Okay, under which article of Indian Constitution impeachment of president can be initiated? Okay, so article, it is very important, and it is article 61. Okay, so in article 61, as per Indian Constitution, the president can be removed with the help of impeachment feature in this article. Okay, let's see the next question. How many Bharat Ratna were given first time? This is a very important question, and you should remember it is 3. First one is given to C. Rajgopalachari, second one is C.V. Raman, and third one is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first vice president. He is the Nobel Prize in Physics. And C. Rajgopalachari, as you know, he is the first Indian Governor General. Okay, so in 1954 there were 3 Bharat Ratna given. First one is C. Rajgopalachari, C.V. Raman, and Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, which of the following is a martial art form of Kerala? And the last video I told you it is Kalaripattu. Okay, it is a martial art form of Kerala, Kalaripattu. Okay, let's see the next question. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted by which country? Sorry, it's Canada, US, Mexico. This is very important question, student. Canada, US, and Mexico, you should remember. Okay, and recently it helped in Qatar, that we have seen. Okay, the article of Indian Constitution is regarded as heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Why it is known as heart and soul, because with this article you can basically change any part of constitution. Okay, so that's why it is called heart and soul, and it is article 32. Okay, article 32 is known as heart and soul of Indian constitution because it gives fundamental right to change any constitutional thing. Okay, so it is fundamental right to constitution remedies, article 32. It is very important, student, you need to remember this article as well. Coming to the next question, who among the following served the shortest tenure as a president, prime minister of India? So shortest tenure is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 13 days, and longest is 16 years, Jawaharlal Nehru, and shortest is 13 day, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay, so the answer is Vajpayee, 13 days. Okay, let's see the next question. Who among the following wrote Anand Mat, from where Indian national song Vande Mataram has been taken? Okay, so there are certain other thing that you got this question. Anand Mat is a book, okay, and the Vande Mataram is a song, and it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, this is again a very important. Who is the current CDS of India? Okay, so the first one CDS is Lieutenant General Bipin Rawat. Bipin Rawat is the first CDS, and the second one is Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. Okay, you need to remember Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan is the second CDS of India. Coming to the next question, it is from the science. The characteristic garlicky flavor odor of garlic is due to? A very simple one, it is due to sulfur. Sulfur is the correct answer. Next question, answer is already given here. In which of the following year did Indian Premier League begin? Okay, so it is 2008, and it was played between, last final was played between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super King, and Rajasthan Royal won that match. Okay, in 2008 IPL began. Okay, so we are done with today's session, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe it. If you like this particular channel, you can hit the like button to this particular video, and we have made various other video for ISRO and DRDO. You can have a look on our channel. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any other question that we missed, you can tell. Okay, or we have given the wrong answer, you can write in our comment box. We will also gain knowledge from that particular thing. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.